This guide will provide detailed solutions to help you resolve the message failed to send on iPhone issue. Fix 1. Try again. Step 1. Open the Messages app and locate the message that failed to send. Step 2. Tap the red exclamation mark icon, then select Try again. Step 3. If the message still won't send, tap the red exclamation mark icon again, then choose Send as text message. Standard messaging rates may apply. Fix 2. Check network connection. Step 1. Go to Settings General Reset Network Settings. Step 2. Enter your device password and confirm the action. Step 3. After reconnecting to the network, try sending the message again. Fix 3. Check iMessage settings. Step 1. Go to Settings Messages iMessage to check if iMessage is enabled. Step 2. If iMessage is enabled but you're still unable to send messages, turn off iMessage, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Fix 4. Restart the Messages app. Step 1. Double-click the Home button or swipe up to enter the multitasking view. Step 2. Swipe up to close the Messages app. Step 3. Reopen the Messages app and try sending the message again. Fix 5. Restart the iPhone. If restarting the Message app doesn't work, you can try to restart the iPhone to fix the iPhone failed to send message. Fix 6. Check iMessage system status. Just visit Apple's system status page to check if the iMessage service is listed as operational. If it shows any issues, please wait for Apple to resolve the problem and try again later. Fix 7. Update iOS system. Step 1. Go to Settings General Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Step 3. Once the update is complete, try sending the message again. Fix 8. Use iOS system recovery. If the above methods do not work, you can use a professional tool like iOS system recovery to quickly fix the issue. Step 1. Download and launch the tool on your computer. Select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable and tap Trust to confirm the connection. If it's your first time connecting the iPhone, next click Start to begin. Step 2. Verify the iOS model and other details displayed on the interface, then click Repair to download the latest firmware. The tool will then start fixing the issue. Fix 9. Contact your carrier or Apple support. If your iPhone still failed to send message after trying all the solutions, your next step is to contact your mobile carrier. Call their customer service line for assistance. If they are unable to help, it's likely a hardware issue, and you should reach out to Apple or an authorized service provider for professional support.